I wonder what he's thinking. Anyways, so I've been having problem with my window control on the passenger side. Every time I have a passenger, they try to open it up and they can't because it's busted. So as you can tell, nothing. So as a good chauffeur I am, it works on my side. So I'm getting sick and tired of being a chauffeur pretty much. So I got this sucker replacement. And just pop this sucker out. Put it in the hole, man. There you go. Take the bolt out. Now, from this side, pretty much just pops right out. And there you go. Just give me a second here. Come on. Nope, it's not working. So, let's see if I can do this by hand. Nope, I need to put you down. Where can I stick you? Where can I stick you? Right there? Oh yeah. Ooh, don't fall. It's all about the angles. Come on. There you go. So, little pin right there. Pin right there. Well, not really a pin, but a little nubby. Did you guys press down for it to come out? It's too big. I don't know. Nope, too big. At least a little embarrassing. There. Yahtzee. There you go. Out with the old, in with the new. Now let's see. Oh, by the way, this little nub right here goes underneath there. Don't force it in. Should just slide like that. Put the bolt on. Line it and screw it in. Now, moment of truth. Will it work? I don't know. I haven't really tried it yet. So, okay. Car is still on. Let's see this. That works. That's nice. Yay! She's alive. Ooh, battery's dying. Here you go, YouTubes. Subscribe, like, and comment.